Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this look. It's a lace closure wig using Dominican curly hair, and I used a hot glue gun. I used a styrofoam head and a dome cap, and here you see is the first bundle. This hair starts out pretty curly, but as you wear it, it becomes more natural looking. I'm going to measure from side to side, which is ear to ear, before I take out my hot glue gun. I'm going to measure it, cut it, and I notice you have to be really fast when you're using this hot glue gun. If you wait a while before you put the track on, the track will not stick because the glue will dry so fast. Here's after the first bundle. And now I'm starting the second bundle. Just going around the head horizontally with a slight U shape. Measuring, cutting, and then taking out the hot glue gun. So I'm just squeezing some glue right onto the cap, and that way I can just lay the track right there just to get started, holding that until it dries. And then from there I can put the hot glue directly on the track and just fold it down. I found this to be the easiest and fastest way to make your wigs. And if you wash it in cooler water, then the track will actually stay on. Excuse my no makeup and glasses look. I was probably doing this late at night. I got this idea and look from the Brilliant Beauty. And as you're pulling that track across, you want to make sure it's nice and tight so there's no holes or bubbles. And I'm putting some tracks towards the front because I want it to kind of flow forward towards your face. And after a while I'm going to put just enough so I can fit my closure in and then continue. There's the closure there. It's a very basic closure. Usually comes in that synthetic bundle pack, but we can open it up a bit to make it look more natural. So I'm actually just hot gluing the closure down instead of sewing it in. You can see there, I'm hot gluing down that extra lace on the left and the right and back. And using that clip to hold up any hair. And then once that's solid, you can take the track and just glue right on top of it. This saves so much time than having to T-pen and sew down your closure. And you want to make sure you space out your tracks a little bit more. When I first started this, I think I was doing the tracks way too close and I might have ran out of hair when I got to the top, and I think I might have to buy another bundle just to fill in the space. So you want to be aware of your spacing. And I think they actually sell black glue sticks to make it a little bit cleaner in your wig application, but I couldn't find any at Michael's. But the white strings, they go away. You can just kind of peel them off after you're done gluing everything. They're not really visible when it's all done. Make sure you subscribe and let me know if you would like to see more videos of me creating wigs and creating custom colors. I have my styrofoam head on a mannequin stand. Alright. So it's looking pretty good, pretty natural. I think this is when I added the last pack in there. And we're gonna take a look at the closure and try to make that look more natural. But it flows pretty good. Not any bumps at the top. So I'm taking some of that Pro Concealer to put in the middle of the part to make it look more natural. It's kind of like a method of bleaching the knots. So I'm putting it on this little smudge brush. And you're just gonna dab it right in the part. I think I got too much there. There we go. And it's okay if it gets on the sides of the roots of the hair. I'll make it look like it's coming more so from the scalp. You can just kind of smudge it a bit with your finger. And here is the end result. Let me know what you guys think. Really natural looking. And really comfortable to wear. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe me, like, and follow me on Instagram, Tanika's Hair.